Hello everyone! Today, I will show you 3 common techniques with a water brush pen. So let's jump and dive in through this video. So this is a water brush pen. I'm sure that you might have seen this product quite like that before. So this water brush pen is like a pen that has a cap or a cover, and what that you see inside is that this is a brush nib. It's where you paint with pigment on a sheet of paper. This is the barrel here where it holds water, and you squeeze it as if the water comes out, because you see the oxygen right there inside. It shows the air that the pressure where it gets in and sucks throughout of the brush, like on the brush nib towards here itself, and where you can paint along. It's like a paintbrush, but this is actually quick. And you see that this one here, this is the opening mark. That's where you screw the barrel, right where you refill the water in your water brush pen. So my water brush pen is pointy. Yeah, it's a pointy brush pen. Some other brush pens have a flat rectangle ones. I do not have it yet, but I will be getting it in the future. So the first technique is to fill the water brush pen up with some water. You just turn on the faucet on the sink. Next, you fill the barrel with some water and make sure it's filled up right up to the top. And then you screw it with a brush nib that has on it, so no water can actually get spilled. And that is how you use your water brush pen onto the first step. So the second technique is to fill it with some color on the brush. So all you have to do is to uncap your water brush pen and just make sure you have to squeeze the barrel just a little bit slowly, so you can see the water comes out right through the brush nib straight forward and onto the color. And you're just gonna pick up the color like how you use a paintbrush to fill the pigment with some water, and you paint it onto the paper. And this is how you start painting with your water brush pen. So the third common technique is to don't overload your water brush pen, because sometimes the watercolor might gonna accidentally have a tear effect and some other awkward parts onto your watercolor strokes while painting with it, because it might end up having some of the weird result. So you just take your time wisely. Just think of using the water brush pen is like using alcohol markers or markers that you have. Just think of it as coloring. And that is how you can easily use your water brush pen. So what do you guys think? Please write them down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like to this video on my channel. And I will see you again next time.